We are still in Bora, but now we are awaiting our family to show up. We are pretty excited to have our baby, Rags, along with her partner Kevin. Bart calls him Jake for some stupid reason, and what's funny is that by the end of the trip, he isn't the only one. Then we also have my sister Mary and brother-in-law Brant, plus Brant's sister Natalie and her husband Mike. Rags and Jakes have joined us before in Florida, and Brant and Mary in the Bahamas, but this is the first time for Mike and Natalie. We get them for 2 weeks, and we will be leaving Bora for Taha and Bora Bora.
Let me just have a moment. You should have asked. First off, Natalie, you should have asked. How do I? Oh, you don't like trains. But see, you could go train.
We spent 2 days in Bora awaiting a weather window to leave for Taha. When we finally got a decent window, we still had high seas and wind, making for a tough crossing. Once we got to Taha, the winds were still very strong, which made mooring very difficult, especially for new crew.
Got it? We're good. On the other side, yeah. A little bit more than that.
We thought we were done, but with these winds, Bart decided to hook up a second mooring line. Not fun, but much, much safer. Little did we know that this was going to be the least of our problems.
Go in front of the furlers.
We're hooking up a second mooring line because of the high winds.
Hooking it was the best part.
Too many lines here.
Here is a sea eagle. We saw her way back in Panama. She is a beauty at 266 feet long and charters for $600,000 per week. She is in the top 10 largest selling yachts in the world.
What has she got?
Bunch of trash.
Oh. We don't need more crap on board.
Well, the ocean doesn't need it either.
Go take it over to Sea Eagle.
Oh, I missed that one.
And say, did you lose this?
Yeah.
Oh, we got surrounded.
Welcome to the world-famous Coral Garden. This drift snorkel between two motus off of Taha is, well, quite amazing. You just glide along, enjoying the underwater life. It was so great, we went back for a second time. This mama didn't want us bothering her babies. Clownfish are my favorite. I could watch them all day. Here's another mama protecting her babies.
I don't want to do this.
You want to go up the mast? I think you can drop. Okay, the bridle's coming down.
Again, disaster strikes Remission. While trying to recall the anchor in these strong winds, the ground tackle broke and the chain started to cut into the fiberglass hull. Bart is going to ascertain the damage and figure out what to do. Here, Bart is tying multiple lines to the anchor so that we can hang the anchor out of the water and keep it from swaying and having it secure. The rough water is sure not making it easy.
You want us to
Pull
pull
on the blue, on the red line.
pull on the red line. Okay, that's as far as the red line will go. Is that where you want it?
Yeah, I think that's gonna work.
Okay.
Okay, lift us attention off of that.
Red or the blue?
The red. I don't think the blue's doing anything. It's not secure. I just kind of saw it.
It's not taut yet.
Now, so it's connected there. The bridle's not going to do anything.
That's just to say,
Yeah. What was your thought?
well, I was going to say if we can get the bridle fixed, we can tighten that too, but it doesn't look like we can.
No. So everything's going to be on that blue line. And the bridle will just keep it from going all the way.
Yeah.
All right, I think I got everything I could do here.
You want it right where it's at?
Well, no. When I get up there, then we're gonna release some of the chain
Oh, okay.
and then pull the anchor this way.
All right.
I'm gonna get out.
All right. About a 45-degree angle.
Yeah, I just want to kind of get this.
I'm not sure I would let Chain out.
You don't think so? No, I have to.
Yeah, he has to.
Because I got to get weight off the hull. All the weight's on the hull right now. So my idea then would be let the chain out so that only the chain is on the hull.
And then we'll pull it in
And
with
we'll
these
pull
red
this-
lines.
Well, with the red and yeah, because the red and the blue.
Yeah.
All right. So let me try that. I'm going to just let it out little by little because each time we move it out, it just tears more hull. I don't know if this thing goes out. But
No, I don't think it works without the end of it.
Yeah. It's off the hole now.
it's off the hole.
It's
Yeah.
off the hole.
The chain.
Yeah.
Chain's up. You hold it.
See if we need help. Good job. I'm holding on.
You want me to hold on?
Well,
Do you want me to?
What do you want to take that one now?
Do we want to tighten the blue one?
now, yeah, the blue one just moves it back sideways.
It's ugly.
But it works.
That's all that matters.
It's definitely sitting on the hole, so I'm trying to think if we can put something around it.
Before you tie that off, let's give it one good.
Okay. Wait a minute.
Hello.
Okay, can you see if it's still off of the hull?
Well, it's laying on it. We're just discussing the best way. We're thinking pillow.
I mean, it's...
Well, the blue one will pull it up, won't it?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because where's that?
Okay, pull the blue one up.
Get out of there. It's taken out.
No, I'm...
The anchor is finally secured, but now we won't be able to anchor until we can get it fixed, which means hauling out. But we can still tie up to a mooring.
Saying about the pin is dig that out and can get it up.
Mike suggested we cut it. Figure out how to tie it. Can we wrap it around the chain?
The thing is, I like that pin there.
I know.
It keeps it from bouncing out.
Yeah. Join us next time in Bora Bora, where we have some of our best times in French Polynesia.
What sound does James Bond's doorbell make? Dong. Ding dong. Yeah. Sometimes Cindy is truly a blonde. I came up from our cabin and she's at the table working on something. So I asked what she was doing. She says, "It's a jigsaw, you idiot." So I asked her, "What's it supposed to be?" And she goes, "It's a rooster like on the box." Okay, Cindy. Let's put the cornflakes back in the box, please.